Welcome, in front of me is a DOOGEE S50 and today I'll show you how to go through the setup process of the device. So when you boot it up for the first time, you'll be presented with this screen. So let's start off by choosing our language, which for me I'm actually going to stick with the one that is set by default. And then tap on Let's Go. Insert SIM card. Now this step is completely optional. If you do, it will change the time or set the time automatically and allow you to connect to Wi-Fi, or not Wi-Fi but mobile network, without actually connecting to Wi-Fi. I'm just gonna skip this for now. You can place it in later and it will change basically nothing. It will work the same way. Then you have two options. You can either restore the device from a backup, so you choose the first one, or set up as new, which I'm gonna set it up as new. And here you have Get Connected, which just allows you to connect to Wi-Fi. Again, if you don't want to, for instance, you might not actually have Wi-Fi connection near you, you can just tap right here, don't use any network for setup, continue. And then there's the date and time, which is incorrect right now. That's because there is neither a SIM card nor Wi-Fi connection, so the device has no idea of knowing what the time right now is. So you can set it up or disregard it, and once you put in a SIM card it will be set automatically, so just a matter of choice. Then name, you can name your device. I'm gonna tap on next and leave it empty. It will then set it up as the name of the device itself, so it's gonna be called the DOOGEE S50. And here you can add fingerprint and other ways of unlocking the device, which as an example I'm gonna add, but also you can skip it if you want. So you have multiple choices. Assuming you chose the fingerprint, you will have option between pattern, pin, or password. Also, you have to have one of those in order to have a fingerprint, otherwise you won't be able to add a fingerprint. So I'm gonna go with pattern. Then you have setup, or secure setup. I'm gonna say no thanks. It basically asks you if you want to have the pattern visible before the device boots. So while it's turning on, you will need to confirm it before it actually reaches the lock screen, and then you have to put it in again, which defeats the purpose. So let's draw the pattern, then redraw the same pattern once more and confirm, and I can start scanning my finger on the back. Now I'm basically getting only the middle of it, but you want to get a good read of your entire finger. So whichever way you press your finger to the sensor, it will always read it. And tap on done once you added the fingerprint. Here you have some services from Google, so localization and means of Google knowing what you're doing, and also device maintenance, so you can extend all of them and read what they do exactly. But yeah, I'll have to agree anyway. I mean, you can disable them. Later on you can enable localization and stuff like that in the phone itself, or disable it if you want. And anything else, you can add your account. That would be visible if I would have connected to Wi-Fi, but because I didn't, it just skipped it. And yeah, let's just say all set, and we're now on the home screen. So if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.